Welcome back. I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play the song December by Collective Soul. It's a mostly first position chord song with a bit of a tricky picking pattern maybe that might be difficult for some beginners, but very learnable I think. So let's get started with the lesson. So this is the first chord. It's sort of a G chord here. So to begin with, you're going to take your fourth and your third fingers, and you're going to put them down here on the E and the B string, and you're going to keep them there. Your first chord is going to be with your second finger on the third fret of the E string. Then you're going to put your first finger on the first fret of the E string. Then you're going to put your second finger on the third fret of the A string. First finger is going to go on the first fret, and then it's going to move up a fret. And it goes back like that. So this is the chord, the sort of the bass note chord progression. So that's how your left hand is going to move. So this is the hard part for me anyway. The picking pattern is the difficult one for me, but I can do it if I start out playing it very slowly and then work up to speed on it. So I got those two fingers there and my second finger on the third fret of the E string. I'm going to pick the E string, skip over my A string, which is already muted by my second finger here laying against it, then hit my open D string. Okay, E, D, B, G. Oops. B, G, D, B, up on the G, down on the B again, then E, B, G. All right, so it goes E, D, B, G, B, E, B, G. Change your first finger up here on the first fret of the E string. Okay, then you're going to put your second finger on the A string on the third fret, and you're going to pick it a little different. And I think this part's easier actually. You're going to hit that string and you're going to go. Now you're not hitting the D string when you play this. A, G, B, G, B, E. All right. When you move your finger up here to the first fret of the A, you're just going to go A string, G, B, E, and then you just hit that A string on the second fret, okay? Then you start back from the beginning. So like I said, start out slow with it, and you got to start out slow and work your way up to it to where you're not really thinking about your picking hand. And when I think about what I'm doing here with my picking hand, all I do is make mistakes. So I have to do it very slowly, and I can work up to the speed. So. So it does that for a few measures, and then it goes into sort of a strumming pattern with an acoustic guitar, and it's basically the same thing you were playing with the complicated picking pattern, except it's just like this. So there's 3 guitars in this song. While the backing guitar is doing this, after about 4 measures of that, there's another guitar playing over it with playing this. Then it goes back into the original progression. So here's how you play that part. It's played on the G string and the B string. You're gonna hit the 7th fret of the G, 8th fret of the B string, and then you're gonna use your pinky on the 10th fret of the B string here. Okay, then you're going to slide these back, and you're going to have your 2nd finger on the 7th fret of the G, then the 6th fret of the B string, and you're going to use your 3rd finger on the 8th fret down here on the B string. Then you slide up to the 5th fret. 5th fret, you're going to use your 1st finger to bar across the G and the B. And you're going to hit that 6th fret on the B string. Then you're going to bar up here on the 3rd fret. And then you're going to use your 3rd finger on the G string on the 5th fret. So it goes like this. Okay, there's something else. So you go through a verse and a chorus twice, and then there's this sort of it's not really a solo, but it's maybe a bridge section where somebody's playing that, somebody's playing the original picking part, and then somebody's also playing this at the same time. This is where there's 3 guitars playing all at the same time. And it goes through about 8 measures of doing that, and then it kind of fades out, and it comes back up to volume. And when he does that, when they do that, it's so it's going to be the original progression up here on the first 3 frets, but muted with your picking hand like this. So it's going to do the 3rd fret on the E, the 1st fret on the E, then the 3rd fret on the A, but instead of going up to the 1st fret on the A, you're going to put your finger here on the 3rd fret of the G string and bend it a bit, and hit this open B string, and then pull off. Okay, so this is how that goes. And then one of the other guitar comes back in over the top of that. It keeps going. Comes in and does this. And then another guitar player comes in and starts doing. And I guess actually there's 4 guitar players, because on top of that, another guitar player comes in and starts playing this part again. So there's 4 guitar parts going on at the same time. So, and then after that gets done, it stops, and then there's one more of these. Then it ends on that opening chord. Without the A string ringing. Just like that, that's how it ends. So there's a lot of layering on this song, and I know Collective Soul has multiple guitar players, but those are the parts, and it's really a nice song. It's got a lot of open strings, so if you play an acoustic guitar, it'll really sound nice. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, like and subscribe to our channel. It's completely free, and it helps us out a lot. So thank you, and have a great day.